Hello guys, now let's do one more exercise. And this I have switched to IntelliJ because some of you likes to use IntelliJ and some of you use Eclipse, but it's very good thing if you can understand how to use or have the skills of how to use these tools, both of them, because you never know which environment you're going to face when you get a job and stuff. So now I wanted to do another program which is just a very simple program, and this program is going to be, I want to compute the average, maybe average of whatever. If you enter like 3 numbers, then we check the average. So how are we going to go about this? So as we spoke earlier, I'm going to create a class, and the class I'm going to say, okay, compute average. Okay, this is a class, and here we need a main method which is public static void main string array of arguments. Then now we have a main method. If we want to get information from the keyboard again, we have to use a scanner. So I have to create scanner object, and then scanner input. You can use any variable name input, but input is good. Input new scanner, and then system.in. And you see IntelliJ is cool because it shows you when there's error. For example, when it's red, the IntelliJ does not understand what is this, so we have to import a class from the package called UTL scanner, and then we can use the object. So now I need to prompt the user to enter like 3 numbers, let's say. It can be an array of numbers if you want, but I'm going to make it simple. System.out.println, and I'm going to ask the user to enter 3 numbers. Okay, and then number 1 is going to be, it's double type, double number 1, the input object that we created dot next double. It can be next int if you want. For example, you can mix up, let's say int number 2 input dot next int, because we are receiving the int, so it has to be int type. And then here we use float number 3 input dot next float. Okay, and all these are the method that comes from this input, and I think I showed you before. If you press on the IntelliJ, it's the same. So if you press Control and then click, so it takes you to where this class belongs and what it does and all its methods. So now we need to do some we need to compute somehow a bit. So first of all, we need to think if you want to get average, what do you do? So you have to add up all 3 numbers and then divide by 3. If it's 10, you add up all 10 numbers and then divide by 10. So here I'm going to say comment and say compute average, and then it's going to be double. I want to be double average is equal to number 1 plus number 2 plus number 3, and then we divide by 3 because there are 3 numbers. Okay, so we now have when we get these numbers here from the keyboard, we add them together and then we divide by 3, then you get this average. And now how do we display to the keyboard? So we have to use, first of all, let me put the display results, and then here become system.out.println. So the average of we concatenate plus number 1, and then we give a space, and then we concatenate again number 2, and then space plus number 3. We need to put another concatenate and say is average. So we add the average here, average. Let's see if I can put it this way, and then you save. So now you can see that if you want to format, I think you have to go to Eclipse. Is easy to get to source format, and this one anyway, yeah, this is you save, and then we can go recap. This is the class. This is also the import class from the scanner. This is our package where we put all our classes, and here you have a main method. In the main method, we are calling we are creating this object with the name input, and then we are prompting the user 3 numbers, and then the numbers are different, depends on whatever. I just put to show you, but you can put double or int all of them, and then but the outcome average has to be in double form. So here we're displaying the average. So if I try to run this program, first of all we have to build on it. It is IntelliJ, and then you run the program. So enter the number radius. Let's see. This is still showing this is what we did before, but I just want to run the average. So enter 3 numbers. So I enter the first number was double, maybe 5.0, and then the second one was int, maybe 5, and the third one was float. So you can see the average for this and this and this is this one. So if you add this number for average, you get this, and in double. So thank you guys for your time, and remember subscribing, like, and bye bye. Hopefully you got something new from this.